Let me show you the workout system on the Huawei Band 10, and yeah, basically what kind of exercise we also get on this watch. So to start the workout, we can simply press the side button, and basically you see you have this workout here. So you can see basically what kind of workouts we get. So by default there are only a few added. And if you want to add more, simply click this add button. And let me maybe scroll so you can see for yourself what we actually get on this watch. And when it comes to workouts, this watch definitely is totally loaded to the brim. So there are a crazy amount of different workouts. I do hope you can see. By the way, when it comes to the GPS, this watch actually doesn't get GPS, so it simply relies on your phone's internal GPS. But by the way, you can still track this exercise even if you do not have your phone in range, so it doesn't really matter. But obviously it won't show you the most accurate data if you do it without your phone in range. So again, these are the things we can actually get on this watch. And when we start the workout, so let's click a workout, and before we start you can also click this over here. You see you can also remove these reminders and also auto lap features and stuff like that. So also goals and yeah, basically stuff like that. By the way, there is no way how to adjust the tiles and what is actually available on tiles, unlike for example on maybe the Huawei Watch Fit 4. So again, the workout system is very basic on this watch essentially. So this is all we really see basically over here. And then also if I swipe like this, I can get access to my music controls. And that's about it really. Also another limitation on this watch is we actually can't exit to the main screen basically while exercise is running essentially. So on the Huawei Watch Fit 4 we are able to actually exit to the main screen and do something else while still exercise is being tracked in the background, but on this one it's not really possible. Also, if you're wondering about the heart rate accuracy, then it's actually really decent also compared to the Huawei Watch Fit 4 and also my Apple Watch and Garmin, and it's pretty much the same. So I would say 98% as good as maybe $500 Apple Watch essentially. So the heart rate sensor actually completely blew me away essentially. So and then if you basically want to end the workout, you can simply press and hold this button over here. So you see if I keep holding, basically the exercise gets ended. Then also you can see your workout records here. Okay, so if you have any, you will be able to see basically the history of them. So I do not have any at the moment. So good luck.